My dear students, how are you? Hope you are all well. You all welcome to Bulbul Tutor English channel. Today I am discussing about continuous tense, sneak peek. Let's get started. What is sneak peek? Number 1, present continuous tense. 2, past continuous tense. Number 3, future continuous tense. You have learned that verbs in the continuous tense are used to denote action that have not been completed. Present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is used, number 1, to describe an action that is happening now. For example, number 1, he is swimming in the pool now. Number 2, Venkat is washing the car. Number 2, to describe an action that has been going on over a period of time but may not be going on at the time of speaking. For example, number 1, I am living with my grandparents. Number 2, Murali is learning to drive a car. Number 3, to describe a planned future event, the time for which is almost given. For example, number 1, we are going to have dinner at a Chinese restaurant tonight. Number 2, I am going to the theater tomorrow. Note, we don't use the continuous tense for number 1, verb of sense and perception. For example, I hear the noise. I am hearing the noise. Incorrect. Number 2, I see the school. Correct. I am seeing the school. Incorrect. Number 2, verb expressing state of mind and emotion. For example, number 1, I admire you. Correct. I am admiring you. Incorrect. Verbs of the thinking or other mental activity. For example, number 1, I think you are wrong. Correct. I am thinking you are wrong. Incorrect. Verbs of possession. For example, I own a car. Correct. I am owning a car. Incorrect. Past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used, number 1, to describe an action going on at a point of time or over a period of time in the past. The time of action may or may not be indicated. For example, I was walking till late last night. Number 2, they were watching television till 1 a.m. last night. Number 2, to describe an action that was in progress when another action took place. For example, number 1, they were having dinner. When I arrived. Number 2, when I met him, he was rehearsing for the show. In the adverb sentence, the verb in the past continuous tense describe longer actions while the verbs in the simple past describe shorter actions. Future continuous tense. The future continuous is used to describe an action that will be in progress at a given point of the time in the future. For example, Rohun will be eating dinner at 9 p.m. Number 2, to describe an action that is fairly certain to happen in the future. Number 1, next week we will be visiting our cousins in Nagaland. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like it, press it for further notification, and share my channel among your friends. Thank you for watching this video.